Hi, good morning guys, and welcome to the channel. Today, as you can see, we're dealing with quite a cumbersome item. It's ladders, but first of all, obviously safety first in all work practice, and especially nowadays. Safety first for the virus that's impending. We need to try and keep socially distant and keep safe. Right, a ladder, they can be quite daunting and quite cumbersome to work with, but there's quite an easy way to maneuver them, like with all tools. If you know your tool, you can own the tool. And lying down a ladder seems to not be that long, but it's very deceiving. You'll notice as you put it up, it gets quite high. Today I want to show you how to move around with a ladder, and generally you can do it as a one-man job. It seems a bit cumbersome, but can be done. Now watch this. We want to get this ladder up into a position, and we can't pick it up straight. We have to move it around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to erect the thing on your own and how to carry it to your workplace. Pretty simple. Come with me. This is a 5-meter ladder, so it extends to about 10 meters out. You get it. This one on the ground is a 6.6. It's quite a tall guy, but I'm going to experiment with this guy. Now watch what you do. You grab it and off you go.